Right now, 5G networks are being deployed and entering commercial service around the world. They will provide unparalleled connectivity to everyone and everything, everywhere. These first commercial deployments of 5G primarily focus on delivering enhanced mobile broadband, using existing mobile frequencies and new millimeter wave frequencies, which will open up large amounts of new bandwidth. But these networks are only the beginning of the revolution that is 5G.
3GPP, which is the standardization partnership that produces the specifications for 5G, is already working on the next phase of 5G, known as Release 16, for which the specifications are scheduled to be complete early in 2020. This will dramatically expand the ecosystem and the range of use cases that can benefit from 5G. It adds a set of features enabling ultra-reliable, low latency, and time-sensitive communications. These features are the key to supporting industrial IoT, the industrial Internet of Things, which in turn is the foundation of the fourth industrial revolution, where all processes and machines in a production environment are controlled wirelessly. Among other features, Release 16 will also focus on introducing support for private network deployments, including corresponding security features, as well as enabling 5G to be deployed in unlicensed spectrum. This opens new opportunities for enterprises and campuses to avail themselves of the benefits of 5G.
The foundation provided by the first version of 5G is in fact so flexible that the suite of features it contains will be able to be expanded in a backward-compatible manner for many years to come.
Our vision for this continuing evolution of 5G is coming to fruition in early planning for Release 17, targeted at the first half of 2021. It will include enhanced support of industrial IoT, with wider support for highly synchronous communications between devices. We also expect a light version of 5G to be provided, which will enable 5G devices to be built at lower cost, with longer battery life, while simultaneously providing higher data rates and reliability, and lower latency than existing IoT technologies. As the 5G ecosystem continues to expand, non-terrestrial connectivity will be integrated into the networks, providing coverage even in the remotest of areas by means of high-altitude platforms and low Earth orbit satellites. And Release 17 will provide enhancements to network edge computing and network automation, as well as further evolution of the all-important security features. Looking even further ahead, the range of radio frequencies that can be exploited by 5G will be expanded with new technological developments, opening up tens of gigahertz of new bandwidth in the range 50 to 115 gigahertz.
For over 20 years, Nokia has been leading the development of many key technologies used by the mobile industry, from 2G to 5G. Our vision of the future of communications is the Nokia Bell Labs Future X architecture, the building blocks of which are our AirScale radio access network, Anyhall transport and cloud-native core platforms. In Release 15, Nokia's portfolio includes key innovations such as massive MIMO beam management, multi-access edge computing, and an access-agnostic core. Similarly, Nokia innovations are already shaping Release 16, which will lead to the transformation of industries through digital automation, with industrial IoT, 5G in unlicensed spectrum, and private networks. The first 5G networks are already starting to change people's lives for the better. Over the coming years, the range of new features that will be embraced by the continuing evolution of 5G will take human communication and industrial automation into a completely new realm, bridging the physical and digital worlds to deliver the extraordinary.